Empowerment Technologies Quarter 3, Module 2. Online Safety, Security, Ethics, and Etiquette. So, nasa ikalawang module na po tayo ng ating Quarter 3 of Empowerment Technology. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang ating Module 1, pwede mo uling balikan yung ating lesson. Just click po yung link sa ating video description para makita nyo ang ating mga previous lesson. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa channel ko, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga lessons natin. So, let's discuss the online safety, security, and netiquette. In these times, more and more people are already engaged in the use of technology. These people who are raised in digital, media-saturated world are called digital natives. Ayan, so yung mga lumaki na daw with their cellphone, with their computers, yung mga exposed, sila yung tinatawag na digital natives. So we have an activity for today. Ang tawag dyan ay sit and stand. So, kung tingin nyo yung mga ibibigay kong personal information ay pwedeng i-share, just sit and relax. But, if you think na information na ibibigay ko is not shared or hindi kailangang i-share sa ating social media, then you need to stand up. Ang una nating information is first name. So, anong tingin nyo? It is worth to be shared or not? How about your last name? Current and previous schools. Your cell phone number. Complete name of mother and father. Name of siblings. Your address. And your birthday. So based on our activity, do you think you are safe when using the internet? So, mas marami ka bang shinare? Or mas marami kang hindi sinishare sa iyong social media? Sige, comment ka po sa ating comment box. So, online safety refers to the practice and precautions that should be observed. So, ito na yung mga information na binigyan natin ng activity kanina. First, in our list is your first name. So, ayan, may mga risk daw pag sinishare ito. Nakalagay dyan, chances are, hacker already knows plenty of stuff about you. Diba? Pag alam nyo na yung first name is, may idea ka na kung sino ba yung taong yun. Alright? So, we also have the last name. If sharing your first name is a small risk, having both your first and last is more risky. Kasi complete name na yung nakuha sa'yo. You will be vulnerable to being searched for using search engines which include image search. So, kasama rin sa information natin ang ating middle name. Sharing your just middle name is probably not the most risky of this shared information, but sharing your entire full name would be, diba? Kaya, let's be vigilant sa pag-share ng ating information online. We also have schools. Most people who steal identities study their subject. They can use this information for verification purposes. So, pag alam nung hacker yung iyong school, definitely meron siyang something na magsiserve as good verification. Pwede niya sabihin, ako si Juan Pablo, nag-aaral ako sa Tabang Elementary School. We also have cell phone number. Your cell phone number should never be posted over the internet. The internet is a public place. It is the same as posting your number on a billboard. Diba yung ating mga personal cellphone number, hindi daw yan sinishare online. Pero kung tingin mo, meron kang mga online selling, diba? Pwede mong i-share ngayon yan sa iyong Facebook page, diba? Dapat talaga nakaseparate ang ating cellphone number for personal use at cellphone number for business use. Nakalagay din dyan, name of your mother and father. It is very risky, especially your mother's maiden name. In fact, if you have already encountered many websites that required your mother's maiden name as an answer to a secret question whenever you lose your password. O diba, meron tayong mga account. Let's say for example, sa ating bank account, sa email account, diba? One of the secret question that we have is, what is your mother's maiden name? Definitely, kung alam nila yan, prone ka sa hacking. Who your siblings? So this is a huge risk, especially if you have younger siblings. A stranger may pretend or use their identity to dupe you. So hindi lang pala yan sa online risk. Okay? Meron din tayo yung face-to-face risk na tinatawag. For example, pwede yang magpunta sa school ng mga kapatid nyo at magpanggap na friends nyo. Example, Nena, ako yung kaibigan ni Jose. Susunduin muna kita kasi busy pa siya ngayon sa kanyang project. Diba? Next, we have the address. Hopefully, you answer no to this. Definitely, kailangan hindi sinishare ang inyong complete address. Giving your address is a whole other level. It will be much easier for a criminals to find you. We also have birthday. Having this in your profile makes you vulnerable to identity theft. Madalas talaga yung nakukuhanan ng identity theft is alam yung complete name at alam yung kanilang birthday. So, sa inyo, kung gusto nyo ba itong i-share or hindi. But of course, there's always a risk in sharing your personal information. To avoid these online crimes, follow the online safety measures. Number 1, never give any personal information about yourself over the internet. Next, do not give any banking or sensitive information unless you are sure that it is a reputable business having a secure service. Regularly review your privacy settings in your online accounts to make sure you are not sharing important personal information. And last, do not download or install software or anything on your computer or cell phone that is unknown to you. So here are some ways you can check if a website is trustworthy. Reliable website usually ends in .edu or .gov. Diba yung edu, that is educational website. Ang ating .gov naman is government website. This website doesn't have errors. They are up to date, use facts, and used by the experts. While the unreliable website might end in .com. So as you can see, ang term na ginamit dito might. So definitely, hindi lahat ng website na nag-end sa .com is unreliable. But meron din pong mga unreliable website na nag-end sa .com. The unreliable website have errors, outdated, uses opinions, and use unreliable resource. Let us now discuss the netiquette. This is a combination of the words network and etiquette. It is a set of rules for behaving properly online. So, since trending ngayon or uso ang tinatawag nating netiquette dahil tayo lahat ay nasa online world, kailangan alam natin ano-ano ba yung rules in behaving properly online. So, these are the 10 rules of netiquette. Number 1, remember the human. When we say remember the human, maging makatao tayo. Huwag na tayo magbastos, irespeto natin ang bawat isa, nakikita man natin or hindi, kilala man natin o hindi. Next, adhere to the same standards of behavior online that you follow in real life. Diba? Kung nire-respeto mo yung mga tao, hindi mo sila binabara sa face-to-face, hindi ka nang babastos face-to-face, dapat ganun din pag nasa online ka. Hindi porket hindi mo katapat, ay iba na yung magiging ugali mo. Next, rule number 3, know where you are in a cyberspace. Remember, what you do online will be seen by 1,000 of people. Maraming makakakita sa'yo. Kaya, make it sure na alam mo na ikaw ay nasa online. Diba? Alam mo na yung ipopost mo, makikita yan ng lahat. Kung ikaw naman ay nasa Facebook, makikita ng mga friends mo. Rule number 4, respect other people's time and bandwidth. Especially when you have your webinars, di ba? Other people's time. Pag sinabing 9 a.m. ang schedule natin, dapat 9 a.m. or before 9 a.m. at least 5 minutes before, nandun ka na sa loob ng inyong online class or webinar. Nakalagay, respect people's bandwidth. Di ba? Yung ating internet connection. So, meron din tayong make yourself look good online. Hindi porket tayo ay work from home, nag-aaral online, or nag-online class, ay hindi na tayo mag-aayos. Kailangan pa rin natin ng proper grooming para pag nagbukas tayo ng webcam, mukha tayong maayos. Rule number 6, share expert knowledge. Kailangan talaga tayong nag-share ng ating mga kaalaman para sa ating mga kasama. Kung tingin nyo makakatulong yung mga knowledge na yan, don't hesitate to share. Rule number 7, help keep flame wars under control. Sino ba itong mga flame wars na to? Ito yung mga madalas makipag-away, makipagtalo online. Rule number 8, respect other people's privacy. Diba? Meron kasi dyan na by friends lang yung mga posting. Definitely, hindi nyo pwedeng screenshot yun at isend sa iba. Ayun yung privacy na tinatawag. Para sa kanila lang. Rule number 9, don't abuse your power. For example, sa isang webinar, o diba, ikaw yung nag-create ng channel nyo or ng link nyo, diba? Baka mamaya may nagsasalita, hindi mo friends or hindi mo ka-close. Ang tendency, i-mute mo. Don't abuse your power, diba? Or baka naman, mas marunong ka kasi mas techie ka over your other classmates. Don't abuse your power. Help them, diba? Huwag ganon. Instead of abusing them, help them. Be forgiving of others people's mistake. Maraming kasi nagkakamali online eh. Diba? Nagkakamali when it comes to pronunciation, nagkakamali ng ginagawa. For example, instead na magpe-present siya ng file niya, ang nangyayari, nako-close niya yung pinaka Google Meet link. Be forgiving. Be forgiving, di ba? Walang problema doon. Walang mali doon. Flame war. It is a flame post or messages in a thread that considered derogatory in nature or completely off topic. Often these flame posts are posted for the sole purpose of offending or upsetting other users. The flame becomes flame war when other users respond to the thread with their own flame message. So, ayan, madalas yan nakikita natin yung mga nag-aaway sa online, di ba? May kanya-kanya silang paniniwala. Pinagalaban ng isa, ay hindi ganito yan. Ay hindi sa amin ganito. Eh kami nga may 5 ligo eh. Kaya may 5 libo. Sample lang yun. So ayan po ang lesson natin for quarter 3. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa channel ko, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga lessons natin.